You know how long multiplication always feels like such a chore? All those rows, carrying numbers, trying not to mess up. Well, today I'm going to teach you something called the lattice method, and honestly, it makes multiplication so much more fun. Let me show you how. We're going to try 324 times 53. Don't panic, I promise this is much easier than it looks. So first, instead of stacking numbers on top of each other, we draw a grid. 324 has 3 digits, 53 has 2. So our grid is 3 boxes wide and 2 boxes tall. Then, and now here's the fun part, we split every box diagonally from top right to bottom left. Across the top, we write 3, 2, 4. Down the side, we write 5 and 3. Now we fill the boxes. Each top digit multiplies with each side digit, and the answer gets split into tens and ones across the diagonal. So, 4 times 5 is 20. Put the 2 on top and the 0 on the bottom. 4 times 3 is 12. That's 1 on top, 2 on the bottom. 2 times 5 is 10. Write 1 on top, 0 on the bottom. 2 times 3 is 6. Write 0 on top, 6 on the bottom. 3 times 5 is 15. That's 1 on top, 5 on the bottom. And 3 times 3 equals 9. So write 0 on the top, 9 on the bottom. Now our grid is full, and here's the magic moment. Instead of adding columns, we add along the diagonals. Start from the bottom right. That's just 2. Next diagonal is 0 plus 1 plus 6 equals 7. Next diagonal is 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9, which is 11. We write the 1, carry the other 1. Next diagonal, 1 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 equals 7. And the last diagonal is just 1. Now read the digits straight across, 17,172. So the answer to 324 times 53 is 17,172. But here's the real question, guys. Why does this work? Well, every box in the grid is just one piece of the multiplication. It's the top digit multiplied by the side digit. Splitting the box into tens and ones keeps the place values separate. When we add along the diagonals, we're actually lining up all the tens, hundreds and thousands exactly where they belong. So the diagonals aren't random. They're the same place value columns you get in a long multiplication, just tilted sideways. That's why it always works. It's not magic, it's just the normal multiplication process, but rotated into a grid that makes it visual and neat. So, instead of wrestling with carries and columns, the lattice method lets the diagonals do the organizing for you, and the answer falls right into place.